Hello, welcome and welcome and welcome again to my YouTube channel. I am so happy and so impressed, guys, for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Right now we are over 1,000 subscribers and I'm really happy. Thank you so much, and continue sharing my videos, continue viewing them as we grow together and tour around the Philippines. Now in this video I am going to show you all the other types of animals that Davao Crocodile Park has. Remember, in the last video I showed you the crocodiles and how they feed them, but in this specific video I will show you the type of the animals that they have here. They have crocodiles, they have also birds, they have also lion, they also have cheetah. I will show you everything that they have here. So please continue subscribing and let us go inside. The first animal inside this park, apart from crocodile, it's a snake called Burmese python. Yeah, I know people are playing with it. I know it's non-venomous, it cannot bite, it's very calm. Yeah, but for me, I'm really scared of snakes. I don't know why, but I am really scared of snakes. Watch this.
Can you let him touch? Baby, can you let my brother touch? Let him touch. Go, James.
Yeah, that's me. I don't like snakes at all. Anyway, come along as I show you the other types of animals that they have here in Davao Crocodile Park. Enjoy.
How are you?
They don't respond.
She responded to you. Yeah.
That was Mama.
Also an ostrich.
Yeah, no. Let me share a very interesting fact about the ostrich with you. They say that the ostrich can't fly, but no birds can match their speed on the land. Ostrich, they can run up to 70 kilometers per hour. This is through their long, strong legs, and they can cover more than 10 feet in a single stride. Is that not crazy? It is.
You cannot hit me, tiger.